So now we're here, we're going to be painting our fraction figure. To start with, you'll want to figure out the skin tone. And I like to use this plastic part to figure that out. And you can start by mixing, usually I start with brown because all of our skin has a brown tone to it, and you can mix it with other colors like orange and a little bit of pink. But what I'm gonna do is take a piece of scrap paper and test out my colors before I test them on my fraction figure. I'm gonna move that over there. Now I've got a piece of scrap paper. I can add various amounts of water to this until I find a color that I like. And one thing to know, of course, we all have different skin tones. So if you want a little bit darker, you can add a little black to it. If you want it a little lighter, you add more water. Or tanner, you can add more brown. Play with the colors until you get a shade that seems right for your skin tone. One thing to know about this though is it will dry a lot lighter than it looks on the paper. So once you get your color going, you want to make sure that you add lots of water, but then not too much, because it will dry significantly lighter than it looks right now. So let's see here. I'm gonna get all this mixed together. And I think for my person that I'm drawing, that's probably about right. And so you're just gonna get started by painting her. I realize you might be concerned about the fact that she's not wearing any clothes. If you feel like it, you can certainly give her something to wear so that she's not feeling totally embarrassed. So I've given her some clothes, no need to worry. And then just paint your figure. Now, I do think that the face is the hardest to do, and a lot of kids struggle with the face. So I'm just gonna do this one really carefully. I think it's better to do the eyes and the eyebrows with a pen and not try to draw them with paint, because our brush can just really not get into the detail that you probably want with her face. I didn't give my person ears. I just realized as I was painting her. But if you want to give your person ears, you can do that. They go, maybe I'll give one ear so she can have like some of her hair down her face like this. And you would do the ear right between where the eye and the nose meet. So now I'm just finishing up my last little bits here. And I've painted my fraction figure. We're gonna let this dry and come back to this lesson at another time.